Are you still adhering to outdated TSA regulations and facing delays at airport security? This video uncovers vital airport security changes coming in 2025 that airlines may not disclose. Avoid fines, delays, and excess stress on your next flight. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning a new trip, this guide is here to help. Subscribe to Travel Tactics for daily travel advice, and don't forget to check the video description for essential resources. Chapter 1: Embracing new TSA technology. Airport security is entering a transformative phase with the introduction of AI-driven CT scanners. These machines create 3D images of luggage contents, allowing travelers to leave laptops and liquids inside bags at some airports. This technological advancement aims to ensure faster lines and fewer inconveniences. However, only select airports currently feature this technology. Many travelers mistakenly assume this service is available everywhere, leading to delays where traditional scanners are still operational. To prevent surprises, verify if your departure airport has these advanced systems. Wider adoption is anticipated, but it's crucial to stay informed. Chapter 2: The Liquid Loophole. TSA's 311 rule is among the most recognized travel regulations but remains a source of confusion. Although newer scanners may allow slightly larger liquid allowances, the original guideline still prevails at most airports. Under this rule, all liquids, aerosols, and gels must be in 3.4 ounces containers, packed in a single quart-sized clear bag. Airports with newer scanners may grant exceptions for TSA-approved containers. Travelers should be cautious as uneven enforcement can cause delays. It's safest to consider strict interpretations unless official TSA documentation states otherwise. Chapter 3: The Powder Problem. Protein powder, baby formula, and other powdered substances are increasingly scrutinized. If you're bringing more than 12 ounces of powder, be prepared for additional screening. Such substances can obscure visibility during scans, raising security concerns, regardless of their intended use. Fitness enthusiasts, parents, and cooks may find themselves surprised. Packing powders in transparent containers and proactively notifying officers can ease your experience. It's a small inconvenience that can avoid significant delays. Chapter 4: Power Bank Regulations. Battery banks are vital for staying connected while traveling, but travelers must adhere to specific limits of 100 watt-hours. Chargers exceeding this limit are not allowed without airline approval. Devices that obscure their capacity ratings may also raise alarm for security staff. To prevent issues, ensure your power bank displays its watt-hour rating clearly and travels with you in your carry-on. Travelers have reported leaving valuable chargers behind due to unclear labeling or excessive capacity. Understanding your tech gear can minimize unnecessary stress. Chapter 5: Food Regulations. Bringing food from home can save money and promote healthier choices at the airport, but TSA rules must still be honored. Solid food items like sandwiches, chips, and granola bars are usually allowed. However, spreads, soups, sauces, and yogurts fall under the liquid category and must comply with the 311 rule. Common confusion arises with items like peanut butter and salsa, which are often confiscated. The best strategy is to pre-pack solid items or check the TSA's "What Can I Bring" list for current guidance. Chapter 6: TSA PreCheck Perks. TSA PreCheck is one of the best ways to alleviate airport security stress. Approved travelers benefit from shorter lines, no need to remove shoes or belts, and can keep laptops and liquids in bags. The enrollment process is simple, and benefits last 5 years. Yet, many travelers still choose regular lines, resulting in longer wait times and higher stress levels. For those flying multiple times a year, PreCheck pays for itself in time and relaxation. Chapter 7: Medication Rules. Prescription medications can pass through security in amounts larger than 3.4 ounces, but certain conditions apply. Medications must be clearly labeled and preferably in their original packaging with your name on the prescription. While TSA doesn't require declaration of medications, doing so can facilitate the process and prevent misunderstandings. Carrying a doctor's note for complex medications or equipment is wise. Adhering to these simple steps protects your health and minimizes complications. Chapter 8: Smart Luggage Guidelines. Smart bags with features like charging ports and GPS tracking have changed travel. However, they rely on lithium-ion batteries, which can be hazardous. TSA rules state these batteries must be removable prior to check-in. Bags that don't allow battery removal may be rejected for checked baggage and possibly confiscated. Ensure your battery is accessible and pack it in your carry-on. A smart choice can quickly turn into a costly mistake if not properly vetted. Chapter 9: Traveling with Pets. Traveling with pets requires extra preparation. Recent TSA changes now involve separate screening for pet food. Kibble and canned items must be scanned individually, often frustrating pet owners unaware of this rule. To expedite the process, place pet food in a specific pouch or on top of your carry-on. Some airports are now introducing pet-friendly lanes, but these remain rare. Planning ahead can alleviate stress for both you and your furry friend. Chapter 10: Alcohol regulations. Flying with alcohol is permissible within certain limits. Mini bottles are allowed in carry-ons if they meet the 3.4 ounces requirement and fit within your liquids bag. However, FAA rules forbid passengers from consuming personal alcohol on board. Flight attendants are the only party permitted to serve alcohol during the flight. Disregarding this rule could result in significant penalties. Knowing the difference between transport and consumption is vital for a smooth journey. Chapter 11: Self-defense item restrictions. Items intended for self-defense, such as pepper spray and brass knuckles, are banned in carry-on bags. While legal in many states, these tools are viewed as potential threats in aviation environments. Many travelers unknowingly bring these items, leading to delays, questioning, and even missing flights. Before heading to the airport, carefully review your bag's contents. Clearing your keychain or handbag may help you avoid unnecessary complications at security. Chapter 12: Vaping device rules. Most travelers overlook vaping regulations. Electronic cigarettes and vaping devices must be carried in hand luggage due to battery fire risks. TSA prohibits these items in checked baggage. Furthermore, liquid nicotine must comply with the 311 rule. Despite its popularity, clarity around vaping transport regulations remains lacking. Violating these rules could result in confiscation or worse consequences. Packing responsibly and understanding TSA classifications is essential. Chapter 13: Cash transportation. Carrying large amounts of cash exceeding $10,000 prompts mandatory reporting and scrutiny from TSA agents. Although traveling with substantial sums is legal, not declaring it can lead to complications. Always have a legitimate explanation and documentation prepared, whether for business, relocation, or personal reasons. This ensures the safety of your funds and peace of mind during travel. Chapter 14: Facial recognition options. Facial recognition is becoming more common at airport checkpoints for improved security and efficiency. However, passengers have the option to opt out. If you choose this route, a TSA agent will manually verify your ID. This may take a little more time but preserves your right over your biometric data. Whether you welcome the technology or prefer caution, knowing your options is crucial. Chapter 15: Safeguarding your tech. Always keep valuable electronics like laptops, cameras, or drones in your carry-on. These items are both delicate and attractive to thieves. TSA recommends ensuring these devices are easily accessible during screening. Theft and damage during checked baggage handling can occur frequently. If your gear is important, treat it with care. Airport security doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With these updated insights, you can navigate checkpoints confidently. Have any new TSA policies surprised you? Share your story in the comments. Remember to subscribe to Travel Tactics for more travel hacks every day. All official resource links and must-have travel gear are listed in the description below. Check them out before your next journey.